Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Academy Foundation from Mr. Andrea. Today I would like to show you the calculus program. So the first section will be about limits and continuity, where the students will see that the limits describe the behavior of a function as they approach a certain input value regardless of the function's actual value there. While continuity requires that the behavior of a function around the point matches the function's value at that point. These simple yet powerful ideas play a major role in all of calculus. Next section will be about differentiation, the definition and basic derivative rules, where the students will see that the derivative of a function describes the function's instantaneous rate of change at a certain point. It gives the slope of the line tangent to the function's graph at that point. So they will see how they define the derivative using limits and learn to find derivatives quickly with the very useful power, product, and quotient rules. The next section will be about differentiation, composite, implicit, and inverse functions, where the students will see that the chain rule tells them how to find the derivative of a composite function. So this is an exceptionally useful rule, as it opens up a whole world of functions and equations. Also, they will learn how to use all the different derivative rules together in a thoughtful and strategic manner. Next section will be about contextual applications of differentiation. So the students will see that the derivatives describe the rate of change of quantities. So this comes in handy when solving various problems that are related to rates of change in applied real-world situations. They will also learn how to apply derivatives to approximate function values and find limits using L'Hopital's rule. The next section will be about applying derivatives to analyze functions, where the students will see that the first and the second derivative of a function give them all sorts of useful information about that function's behavior. So the first derivative tells them where a function increases or decreases or has a maximum or minimum value. The second derivative tells them where a function is concave up or down and where it has inflection points. Next section will be about integration and accumulation of change, where the students will say that the definite integral is an important tool in calculus. So it calculates the area under a curve or the accumulation of a quantity over time. So Riemann sums allow them to approximate integrals, while the fundamental theorem of calculus reveals how they connect to the derivatives. The next section will be about differential equations. This is the last section where the students see the differential equations are equations that include both a function and its derivative or higher order derivatives. So for example, y equal the derivative of y is a differential equation. So they will learn how to find and represent solutions of basic differential equations. That's all about the calculus program. Thank you so much for your attention, students and parents. You can find my contacts below in the slides or in the description. See you next. Bye.